Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an oxygen machine for fish. Maintaining adequate dissolved oxygen is crucial for your fish's health and well-being. Without enough oxygen, fish can become stressed, develop illnesses, or even perish. Fortunately, there are several straightforward and effective ways to ensure your aquatic friends have plenty of oxygen. We will explore practical steps you can take to create a healthier environment for them, ensuring they can breathe easily and thrive in their home. One of the most common and effective methods involves using an air pump with an air stone. The air pump sits outside your tank, drawing in air and pushing it through a small, flexible air-line tubing. This tubing connects to an air stone, which is submerged in the water. The air stone then disperses the air into a multitude of tiny bubbles. As these bubbles rise and break the water's surface, they create essential surface agitation, facilitating the exchange of gases and dissolving more oxygen into the water for your fish. Beyond air pumps, your existing aquarium filter plays a vital role in oxygenation. Filters that create significant surface agitation, like hang-on back or canister filters with spray bars, are excellent. Ensure your filter's outlet is positioned to gently disturb the water's surface, creating ripples. This constant movement helps atmospheric oxygen dissolve into the water. For tanks needing extra circulation, a small power head can be added to create additional flow and surface disturbance, further boosting oxygen levels for your fish. Finally, consider the natural oxygen producers, live aquatic plants. During the day, plants perform photosynthesis, releasing oxygen into the water. However, they consume oxygen at night, so balance is key. Regular tank maintenance is also crucial. Performing routine water changes removes decaying organic matter, which otherwise consumes valuable oxygen as it decomposes. Additionally, avoid overfeeding your fish and overstocking your tank, as excess waste and too many inhabitants can quickly deplete the available dissolved oxygen, impacting your fish's health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.